Rina Magdanga. And the premier host, Robbie Domingo. Thank you so much, MJ. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all over the world, in online world, hi! Nice to see a lot of familiar faces dito mismo, no?
Correct. At saka batiin din natin lahat ng mga nandito natin kaibigan from media na mula noon yung iba at ngayon mga bago na rin. Hello sa inyo dito sa Dolphin Theater.
Thank you so much for taking the time to be here. Hi, Ma'am si Jolens.
Hi, Robbie.
Grabe, Merry Christmas, ah.
Ako, inunahan mo ako bumati. Merry Christmas. Inunahan ko na kayong lahat.
Oo, pero hi sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin live sa ating Facebook page and YouTube channel. I know you guys are taking lots of clips, lots of photos, and when you post online, don't forget to use our official hashtag na IdolKidsPHMediaCon.
Yan, ang saya nito, Robbie.
Totoo, and to show our appreciation, umpisa pa lang.
Meron na agad.
Meron tayong raffle!
Yes!
Saktong-saktong pamasko talaga.
Ganon talaga.
Parang
Merry
Christmas
Christmas
party.
advance.
Okay.
At saka alam mo, hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa.
Ilan for Idol Kids Philippines judges? Are you guys excited? Kaya naman, tawagin
Ito na, umpisahan na natin. Please welcome Asia Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid.
we got our power diva, Angeline Quito.
Magsusplit yan, oh.
Ikot mo yan, oh.
Oh. Yes! At syempre naman ang ating record-breaking singer-songwriter, Juan Carlos!
Oh, di ba? And to complete our judges, we got our Mr. Pure Energy, Mr. Gary Valenciano. Good afternoon, judges. Ayan, meet our Idol Kids Philippines judges.
Ang
Alright.
saya nito!
I'm sure you guys are excited na makausap sila later on. Pero, atin tuloy natin yung winning wheels natin.
Of course!
Because, guys, napakaswerte natin this afternoon dahil meron pa tayong pa-concert para sa lahat ng mga Idol Kids Philippines fans right here, right now. So once again, we got our Idol Kids Philippines judges. We'll be seeing some of them later on. But before first, ladies and gentlemen, for our Idol Kids Philippines judges! Nice concert treat.
Yes.
How did you guys enjoy that?
Saya! Nakakabitin pero talagang ganun talaga!
Ganun talaga.
Dahil marami talaga sorpresa ang magaganap dito sa Idol Kids Philippines.
Yes. Bagong lahat?
Bago ang lahat, syempre, thank you muna din natin ang ating mga media partners. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Yes. Also, we would love to say hi to our Idol
Yes.
Kids Philippines judges. Baka pwede rin kayong mamati sa lahat ng mga nakatulog sa atin ngayon.
Yes!
Hello everyone!
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat po na nandito sa Dolphin Theater, sa ating audience. 2,000 tayo ngayon!
Sobrang dami!
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo.
Yes!
Next again,
Thank you!
Miss Rich.
Yes, good afternoon everyone and welcome to Idol Kids Philippines.
JK.
Good afternoon everyone, Carlos na pala. Maraming salamat sa pagsabay ng kanta.
Oo, pinapaalala po namin, Idol Kids po to.
Kids po ito.
Lahat ng mga nagtumanda ng chorus, kakausapin ko kayo ng FTFC.
Ang management.
Lagot kayo.
Alright, maraming salamat JK. And of course, Sir Gary.
Masasabi ko lang is, well, first of all, good afternoon everyone. At sobrang excited kaming lahat para sa inyong lahat dahil medyo nag-enjoy talaga, nag-e-enjoy talaga kami bilang pagiging mga judges ng Idol Kids Philippines. Hope you guys enjoy.
Mamaya pwede silang matanong dahil talagang ito na to, interview mamaya, di ba, kasama ang ating judges. Pero ngayon, yun nga, thank you din muna natin ang ating media partner buyers, pwede
Na pag sumali na yung mga ibang boboto, mahihirapan din sila.
Yun na.
Kasi talagang iba eh. Iba ang dating ng mga bata ngayon.
Pero Ate Reg, ang napansin ko doon sa VDR, parang mixed emotion siya. Merong parang nakakakaba, medyo malungkot, merong kulitan, masaya.
Siyempre, gusto namin maging masaya talaga. Kaya may mga kulitan. At saka kasi nakakatuwa yung mga bata, nakikipagkulitan talaga sila.
Right. Saka yung mahilig sa afa, may kalarong afa.
Chismosa siya. Chismosa. I'm sorry. Let me correct myself. Chismosang bakla siya. At a very young age.
Interesting contestant,
Yes.
di ba? JK! Juan Carlos, I'm so sorry, let me correct myself.
Kahit ano po. Kuya JK.
Being a contestant noon ng kids show, now judge,
Yes.
kamusta ang pakiramdam being on the other side?
Ang saya maging judgmental, nagagamit ko siya. Oo. Tsaka at ano siya, full circle moment kasi dati ako yung umiiyak.
Yes!
It's my turn.
Na?
Magpaiyak. Ako bahala sa mga kids.
Grabe, baka terror judge na.
Wala ba? I did.
Wala,
But it
wala.
was actually really fun.
Right.
And it was such kind of a surreal moment to be on the other side of the stage na parang, oh my God, that was me before.
Right.
What is going on? And I'm so grateful. I'm working alongside really great and amazing people, and that makes everything much better.
Kasama dyan si Angeli, nasa VDR pa lang, ang kulit-kulit na.
Yeah.
Angge, how are you?
Yeah.
Yun lang alam eh, no?
May,
Yeah.
may tanong na ba kayo, Jason?
Wala pa.
Wala pa ba?
Hinati lang kita, Angge.
Excited ako eh.
Excited ka na? Kamusta yung experience bilang hurado ng mga kids?
Una, sobra akong na-excite talaga sa lahat ng mga episodes sa taping namin. Kasi tama yung sinabi mo kanina kay MJ na iba't ibang mga emosyon kasi yung nangyayari. May nakakatawa, nakakaiyak, nakaka-inspire. At syempre, sobrang happy ako na makasama bilang isa sa mga judges ng Idol Kids Philippines. Alam nyo naman, syempre dati, talagang ang influence ko talaga sa pagkanta ay si Miss Reg. So para makasama ko sila ngayon, it's a dream come true.
Wow!
Absolutely.
Sinunod talaga yung pinilit yung absolutely.
Baka di mo masabi, sinabi ko.
Thanks, Angge. Okay, Jolens, ikaw naman. Paano nyo piniprep yung mga kids? Kasi kayo nag-prep sa kids, di ba? Paano?
Christmas? Siyempre, kasi syempre, meron tayong nakakasama mga bata sa bahay at marami pang... Ito, hindi mo sila pwedeng i-treat na porket alam mo na mag-alaga ng bata, gano'n. Dahil iba-iba sila eh, iba-iba. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang, kahit na yung mga bata ngayon, kahit gano'n lang sila kaliliit, meron ka rin matututunan. At saka, iba na talaga yung bata ngayon. Hindi mo na sila pwedeng, mag-audition ka dito, ganyan. Talagang, sila talaga yung may gusto nung ginagawa nila. Na mas nakaka-excite, kumbaga, panoorin kung ano yung mga maipapakita nila. Kasi sila na may gusto.
Saka meron silang opinion lagi.
Yes!
Di ba?
Parang ikaw na lang yung, okay, sige, bye. Ganun na lang.
Okay, before I go to Robbie, napansin ko, singers, kumakanta.
Grabe naman.
Yes, Robbie.
Na-offend naman ako doon.
Uy, musician yan!
Kailangan mo kaming sampulan. Ha? Kailangan mo kaming sampulan.
Alam mo, parating na yung mata ng bagyo. Baka mamaya lalong bumagyo dito eh.
Feeling ko sasurpresahin tayo ni Robby kakantayin.
Pero serious ako when you were a kid ba, nakakakanta ka? Do you sing in a church, in school? Yung mga ganon? Kasi parang pag-Pilipinong bata ka, di ba, Kuya Gary?
Ako hindi ko pa naririnig ang boses nito.
Exactly.
Kumanta, pero baka hindi nyo lang alam, but he is very good in playing the piano. Ako na-impress ako tuwing naririnig ko si Robin na gumagawa ng sample na hindi niya alam na nandun ako. So he's not performing, he's just doing what he's
Kuya?
And aside from that, magaling din siya na dancer.
Ay!
Super!
Share ko lang
Giger boys.
Singer na natin.
Grabe, dami kong tagabuhat. Dito lang ako.
Dahil mga attorney. Dahil yung mga legal counsel sa sa judges table. Of course, we're joined by Shania and Emilio. Shania, full circle moment for you.
Yes, yeah, for sure.
From Idol din, di ba nag-start ka na singing?
Yes. So I agree na super full circle moment din for me. Kasi from a literal Idol Philippines contestant,
Yes!
And actually si Ate Reg din yung judge during that time.
Tapos yung taping natin, di ko alam.
Why would I joke about that? Sorry.
You learn something new.
Exactly.
And but yes, it's really I mean, look at who I'm with on this stage. It's absolutely insane, and I'm super grateful talaga na I get to be here. I get to host the online show, and especially with Emilio na he's very very fun to co-host with naman also. So I'm just very very grateful, and thank you naman din to Lord.
Pansin ko ha, yung grupo niya mahilig sa absolutely ha.
Sa akin yung
Na-inspire po.
I did it first.
Okay. Okay, Emilio, ikaw ba nakakanta ka?
Yes, magsasample yan.
Okay, go. Sasample nga ako.
Gusto pa ba?
Pang-mall show lang hindi, pang-mall show lang. Pero training pala, training. I get a lot of tips from yung Kiddie Hopefuls, actually. Sila yung nagtuturo sa akin. Ang dami kong natutunan sa kanila because they're so talented. And I'm just so happy that the whole Philippines will be able to see how good they all are.
And congratulations, you're one of the busiest, if not the busiest, diba, right now from the celebrity edition ng Pinoy Big Brother. Okay, simulan. Are you guys ready for our Q&A? Meron mga questions from our friends from the press. They're excited to know more about your experience in Idol Kids Philippines. We begin with Von Belinario from TV5. Hi, Von.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Von.
Congratulations for the first ever Idol Kids Philippines. Excited na kami. So yung first question ko po ay para kay Miss Reg and kay Angeline. Ayan. Paano nyo ginamit sa pagiging judge yung pagiging ina nyo sa totoong buhay?
Ina mo rin. Sorry.
Uy!
Sorry.
Yung pagiging...
Nagtatanong lang.
Miss Reg, tatanong lang si Kuya Bon.
Sorry.
Ate Reg, Idol Kids.
Nagulat lang ako. Sorry.
Kayo, Miss Reg, paano nagamit yung mother's instinct, yung mother's love, yung mother's compassion sa pagiging murado?
Ako muna.
Go, Miss Reg.
You know, doing the audition, I realized that kasi lahat tayo ganito, kasi I've also experienced this. Hindi nakikinig pala talaga yung mga bata. Hindi pala talaga sila nakikinig. Oo, kaya pala yung nanay natin, yung ang kulit-kulit, yung alam mo na, sinabi mo na yun sa akin pero naaalala mo pero hindi tayo nakikinig. So, it's kind of hard to, being a mom, it's hard to balance being a judge and trying to correct them and also try to be sensitive kasi hindi mo naman anak yun Kasi kung anak ko yun, hello, makinig ka sa akin, hindi ko yun anak. So, you need to kind of balance it. And then, like I said earlier, it's because hindi sila nakikinig, not because they want to hurt you or anything, it's just that their span of attention is so short. It's so short, but they absorb. So when they hear an information, they don't know what to do with that information. So I feel like they just absorb it and put it somewhere in their brain. Until sabihin mo ulit, then they'll, sinabi mo na yun! But the brain would say, I still don't know how to deal with it.
Right.
So you'll keep it there until